Yo! Okay, so this episode is very special. Actually, my episode, every episode I say is special one lah. But anyway, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, 新年快乐，恭喜发财. I think this episode will also be a New Year special. Okay, this episode I will share with you why when you're selling your property or when you're buying your property, you need to find the correct agent. Okay, I'm not trying to boast, but let me share with you what is called correct agent. I'm not trying to tell you who is good, who is no good, but I'm going to tell you who is worth your money and what kind of agents you should be looking for. Let's go! Okay, we talk about selling first. Okay, I did a lot of this episode, but I didn't go so in depth about what kind of agent. So now I'm going to share with you, because when you're selling your property, right, it's important that you get the correct agent. Let me share with you. I realized that when agents are there, two kinds of agents. You know, one kind of agents, when they do marketing, right, they don't do a strategy, and they also don't understand how much their competitor is marketing. They also don't understand whether this price can sell or not. It's everything they are like, the customer say, oh well, 1.2, then they're, oh okay, I want 1.3 million, okay, they just everything okay, then they just follow what the customer say. So they don't do competitive analysis, they don't do a CMA report, they don't understand what is the unique selling point, they don't take effort to take good pictures of the house, they don't take effort to amplify the positive thing of the house. This is something that I cannot agree and I cannot understand. Okay, so this is point number one. Point number two, a good agent, right, is very responsive. Responsive meaning that 电话响就要听, WhatsApp come must reply, read WhatsApp reply, phone call can't reply, and also it has to be responsive towards the owner. So owner pick up the call, every time there's a call, the owner must know or there's a viewing, you have to inform the owner, check with the owner, you know. I feel that these are some of the basic things. I can share with you the most not important thing, meaning that the most useless thing is when an agent trying to show how good is he during a viewing. Okay, so for example, I brought many buyers that view house with me, they will laugh at this because this is something that we always laugh about and I always like talk about. When sometimes I go and view unit, I bring Mr. Tan go and view this unit. We walk into the unit Sometimes we walk into the unit, we just see look. A normal viewing will be about 5 to 10 minutes only. We just want to understand the layout, see the view, have a feel of the house. But sometimes we walk in the house, it takes like 20 over minutes before we finish the viewing. Why? Because the seller agent will talk from the day the door open, from the door open. The seller agent until the last time we went to a viewing, he talked until my customer at the car park already, he's still talking, You see, let me share with you this. You see, I mean, I know there's a lot of agents that subscribe to my channel also, but a customer that view a house is for own stay. They need to understand whether they like or don't like the house. So they need to have a good feel. And people know what is master bedroom, what is common room, what is kitchen. It's very obvious. You don't need to just talk about good and bad. Sometimes it's not about how good the house is. Sometimes it's whether the customer like the house or not. The customer feel good in the house or not. The way you talk, the customer will never feel good about the house. So also back to customer, if you are a seller today, you may think that this kind of agent is very hardworking, very good, illustrate all the good things about the house, but it's actually not correct. Because buying a property is about feeling. It's not like how cheap or how good. Sometimes you just feel good about the house. There is some units that I bring my seller, I bring my buyer to. My buyer feel very good, but I think it's not good, But my buyer feels good, It's his house, he's going to stay there. He should be the one feeling and not me. So when an agent sell a house, I really feel that they should give the customer enough space, enough time to feel the house and understand the house. And of course, if the buyer has a question, then the seller agent can illustrate the question, can tell them what are the good things and everything from the question, and not so much on just talking from the door open to the door closed and go to the car park lobby still talking. Okay, so anyway, this is some pointers. And so to me, viewing is really not determine whether the seller agent good or not. Then the next is negotiation. Negotiation is the part that is very crucial, that a lot of sellers, right, they really neglect, But it's also very hard for sellers to know whether this agent negotiation good or not. Okay, because to me, negotiation is very crucial. You can have a very, very good agent by showing the house, say how good is the house, the buyer on the view. But because this agent don't know how to negotiate the price or don't know how to start a proper negotiation with the buyer, then there is no offer. When there's no offer, there's no sales. There's no sales close. So negotiation is a very, very important part. Then at the back will be more of responsibility, more on like paperwork, more on responsive also, and also helping the customer understand what is their next step. So I realized that a lot of agent is like 做完就拍拍屁股走 finish then toot off, you know. So I feel that it's very important to get the right selling agent, because the right selling agent will bring you the best price, will help you sell at the fastest time at the correct price. Okay, so next, buying agent. Okay, so buying agent, right, actually is very, very important. I feel buying agent is very, very important. Why? Because I realized that a lot of buying agent, they don't help customer to analyze what to buy, or they don't tell customer how to find the correct item to buy, the right product to buy, the right property to buy. So a lot of agent is like, 你要买哪里？你要买 Queen's Peak 啊 ？OK， 我就带你去 Queen's Peak。你要买哪里 Heritage View， 我就带你去 Heritage View。你要买哪里 Water Town， I bring you. So where they want to see the they just tell the agent just bring. The agent do not advise them which is a better buy. You know, what are you buying for? What are you buying for own stay? You know, what are you buying for investment? You're buying for investment, what you should buy. There is no consultation, zero consultation. So basically, you engage the agent just for the agent to bring you viewing. Then you can do it yourself, ma. Okay, so I feel that the value of the agent, right, is not being amplified, or I feel that to me, I really feel that it's 浪费 ah. If you want to pay for an agent, you want to get a buyer agent, you want to get an agent for your buying, then make sure you get an agent that is worth the money. You know, you want to earn money from your purchase, right? You want to have a proper understanding. You want to know whether you're buying the right thing. You want to know that your whole process is going smoothly. You want to know that the agent is negotiating at your best interest. All these things are things that you need to find a proper buying agent. So I feel that the public really have to go and rethink. You know, I feel that sometimes it's very funny, and in the private resale market it's even worse. Some people, they just go and view themselves. Then the agent don't happen. Then they always tell us, oh, I got an agent, my agent cannot come. I got an agent, my agent cannot come. Then what's the purpose of having an agent? Your agent should be the one advising you. If your agent don't see the unit, how is your agent going to advise you correctly? So I feel that many people are not getting the correct information on why they should engage an agent and what kind of expectation they should have from their agent. Okay, so I hope this video helps everyone and all the people watching this video. I hope it helps you, and if you like my video, hit the subscribe button. We're going to share more in the next episode, and thank you again. Bye bye.